Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the buffalo chicken strips from Dairy Queen. Happy tastes good. So these are pretty spicy, I think. I could smell the buffalo sauce before they even gave it to me, so that's a good sign. And my car reeks of spice, which is exciting. Whew, yeah. Like the smell of it burned my face. So they have them in a little special basket. I can't really show it to you very well, but there's a lot of buffalo sauce on those. And then I also got some Flamethrower sauce to make this even worse. So, they don't have any forks or anything, so I had to get real messy with it. It's okay though. I love buffalo. Whew. Yeah, these are hot. They made them fresh for me, I think, because I had to wait for them. Wow, there's a lot of sauce in this. I'm just gonna get right into it. That's buffalo sauce, all right. Yeah, there's a good amount of kick to that. Like, kudos to Dairy Queen. Coming through, the Flamethrower burger, not that spicy. This, though, we got some spice in here. Kudos to Dairy Queen. I made some spicy. It's like a pretty decent kick to those. I'm gonna get my drink open, a little Diet Pepsi, because it's burning a little bit. Yeah, those are good. Actually, some spicy from a fast food place. Who would have thought? Usually fast food places don't have very spicy food because most people can't tolerate spicy. And buffalo is a whole other category though. Oh. I inhaled a little bit there while I was biting into it and it burned my lungs. So yeah, those are certified spicy. I love it. I'm sweating a little bit already. So yeah, those are pretty spicy already on their own. I paid extra to get Flamethrower sauce too, so I'm gonna double down on the spicy here. Now, if anything, I don't think the sauce made it spicier. Changed the flavor though. It kind of tastes like bacony, kind of like the burger. Woo. But not as spicy because it kind of, your first bite has the buffalo sauce on it, so, or the Flamethrower sauce, so it hides the flavor of the buffalo sauce a little bit. Wow, I'm sweating from that. Those are really good. I'm gonna give it one more bite and I'll give my final review of it. So Dairy Queen's not the only place right now that has a special revolving around buffalo sauce. Right across the block from our Dairy Queen, there's a Harvey's, and they have buffalo chicken nuggets. Their buffalo is a little bit spicier than this. This one, it's still very, very spicy. So, on a scale of 1 to 10 for spiciness, I'd probably give this like it's a 4 or 5. Like, it's pretty spicy, not gonna lie. With the Flamethrower sauce, it kind of knocks it down a little bit, as I just spoke on. But overall, I give the buffalo chicken strips from Dairy Queen a 7.5 out of 10. I love how it comes in a little tub like this, and it's got so much sauce on it. We're not getting cheaped out on the sauce. If they just put it right in the bucket, it probably would have rubbed off some of it, but this is literally like a pile of buffalo sauce. So I like that they're not skimping on the spiciness. It is pretty hot. You can smell the spice as soon as you get the order. So that's really cool. I love that. They make it like a challenge, because these are not your regular spicy food from a fast food restaurant. Fast food restaurants typically do it very mild and they claim it's spicy, but these are outright spicy. They had a good flavor to them. Like the texture, the crispy chicken on the exterior is still there. It doesn't lose that. You can pair this with Flamethrower sauce if you want to for an extra little boost of fire. I'll put it that way. Yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.